Hello guys! Welcome back to our Hello guys! welcome back to our yoga Sundays with YammyFiggy. So for this session, I'm gonna teach you some stretches on yung mga poses. This is mga simple poses for the shoulder and for for hips. So sunod lang kayo dun sa parts na yon. Pero syempre, bago tayo magsimula ng mga stretches na yon ay syempre gagawin natin yung tinuro kong part 1 tsaka part 2. Andito yan sa ating sa ating mga cards. Kung alam ko nasan yung cards dito. Click nyo lang. Andiyan yung part 1 tsaka yung part 2. Yung how to prepare for your lower back part 1. How to prepare for your lower back part 2. So, yun. Ito naman ay how to prepare your lower back part 3. Kasi itong mga poses na to, hindi pa naman talaga yung mga mainstream asanas sa yoga. So, ito yung mga parang sa akin, personally for me. So, this is just some of the preparatory stretches before you get into the mainstream poses. So, again, disclaimer for everybody. Ito mga tinuturo ko sa inyo ay based dun sa mga tinuro din sa akin ng mga yoga teachers ko, sa mga naaral ko, at the same time yung mga tips ko on sa personal experience ko sa paggawa no yoga. Okay? So, yun. Let's get this started. Gawin muna natin yung warm-up. So, ayan. Warm up na tayo. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna do the basic cat and cow. So, para sa mga ginagawa cat and cow, ito naman yung pang warm up ng spine. And then, I'm gonna do some shoulder stretches for you and some leg extenders for the hips. Wait lang, magulo ko. Ayan. Nagets diba? Okay, let's get it started. So we're gonna start from our tabletop position. So ito yung tabletop position. Make sure the wrists are aligned with the shoulders and the knees are aligned with the hips. Right? Again, wrists aligned with the shoulders, knees aligned with the hips. So for the cow, you're gonna drop your belly and look forward, chest out, inhale. And exhale, you're gonna round your back, curl, look at your tummy. Okay? 5 more times. Okay, now for the next part, we're gonna do a shoulder stretch. So again, tabletop position, ito yan. Okay, and then you're gonna extend your right hand to the side. Exhale, insert under, drop the shoulder. Then lie your head down, then stay for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale up. Exhale, other side, inhale, and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale. Then exhale front view. Then ito naman, ating wide stretch. You're gonna crawl your hands forward from your tabletop position. Inhale here. Exhale, push your hip. Then scroll your hands down. Drop the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale up. And exhale, do a cat and cow to release tension of the spine. Good. Next naman, yun yung para sa ating shoulders. Next naman yung para sa hips natin. Go. Okay, next. You're gonna extend your right leg to the side here. Okay? Then inhale, right arm here. 1. You're gonna leave this now. 1. Or you can raise it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Then other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Down. Okay, that's it. Then elbows down. Just to release. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale up. Withdraw your leg. Exhale. Other side. Okay, inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Other arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Inhale here. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. Exhale. And you can do a child's pose. Open your knee. And drop. So, that's it. Okay? So, yan. Basics. Again, those are the basic stretches na ginagawa ko kadalasan at the start of the class. So, you can also do that on your own in your house. So, for the next, so yun yung 3-part series na how to prepare your lower back. Okay? So, mga sunod na sessions, sequences na tayo. So, magbibigay na ako ng mga sequences na susundan nyo na lang, may timer. And that's it. So, I hope you enjoyed this introductory part of the Yoga Sundays, and make sure to subscribe para ma-notify kayo din sa next video na magkakaroon. So, make sure to breathe deeply and, relax. Don't stress yourself. Don't pressure yourself. This is your YammyFiggy. See ya. Bye. So, yun again. Kung meron kayong mga tanong, okay, dun sa kung meron kayong gustong i-concentrate natin or meron kayong personal na tanong about you want to work on sa iyong katawan and yoga, do you think yoga can help you, just put it on the comment section below, then PM me if you want. I'll have my Facebook profile there, and you can my profile is public and you can message me. Okay, so again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.